14. You should be really proud of yourself. You're still going strong on the 30-day challenge. Day 14 out of 30. What's not lot to like? Let's get stuck in. I'm a bit too excited today. Too much coffee. Let's dive into the first video. Oh, it's her again. Which button do I press to get rid of her? Revision is about going over stuff that you may have done 2 or 3 years ago, 4 years ago, or last week. But it's keeping it fresh. That's the purpose of the video after this, or in the link below. The use of I. You can't get too much I. That's what I say. If you can't get enough of I, you definitely can't get enough of my old friend tener. Tener, to have. But tener is a little bit devious. It can mean to have, it can mean to be in certain circumstances, and there's a whole range, a veritable range of idioms with tener. If you're not too sure what I'm on about, have a look at the next video. There is exam gold in there. Look, I'm going to be honest and I'm going to cut to the chase. The next video is not the most stimulating. It's not the most encouraging. It's not the most illuminating, but it's got some good stuff in there. If you're looking for the higher grades, stick through it, take some notes, give it a go. You're still there. You're the people who are serious, because you're listening through the rest of the stuff and it will pay off. Well done you. Here's the top tip for today. Lo pasé bomba. Lo pasé bomba. I had a great time. Now I'm going to build out again lo pasé bomba. I had a great time. Over a period of chunks, chunky it out. As you may have known from yesterday's video, I'm a fan of chunks. I'm going to chunk it out to get quite a sophisticated long phrase in Spanish. So, here we go. Durante las vacaciones del año pasado, lo pasé bomba con mi familia. Can you see what I've done? Chunk, chunk, chunk. There's my lo pasé bomba in there. And now I've got in the mood for chunking, I'm going to do the same sort of thing in the past tense, using lo pasaba bomba. I used to have a good time. Here we go is an example of the use of lo pasaba bomba. Cuando era más joven, lo pasaba bomba con mi padre, porque jugábamos al fútbol todos los fines de semana. Chunk, 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 chunk. Enough chunking. Bueno, dime qué pasa con el ordenador.